Hello, and welcome to the video. In this video, I will show you how you can unlock 60 frames per second in BGMI. Let's jump into the video. First, I will show my default BGMI highest FPS graphics settings. Then, I'll show the steps how you can unlock the extreme FPS in every graphics settings. Just follow the steps. First, open the link, which is given in the description. Download the file. Then, extract into your phone's storage. The folder name is 60 frames per second file. Open that file. Continue opening all the folders into it until you find enjoycjzc.ini file. Now, copy that file and open your Android folder. Then open data. Then open com.pubg.imobile. Then open Files. Then open UE4 Game. Then open ShadowTrackExtra. Then open ShadowTrackExtra. Then open Saved. Then open Config. Then open Android. Now paste that enjoycjzc.ini file. Now, I'll show you the FPS after pasting that file into that particular folder. Now you can see my game's max FPS settings. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please comment down in the comments section. And don't forget to like and subscribe.